Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to install dual messengers on your Samsung Galaxy device. Of course, this is the Samsung Galaxy A16 and of course it doesn't matter the device, it works across all of these devices from Samsung. Alright, so in order to install a dual messenger, first of all, it applies to certain apps that I use for messaging. So for example, WhatsApp is one of those, and it can work as well for Facebook. What it allows, for example, if I were to use WhatsApp as the example, is it will allow you to install 2 instances of WhatsApp. All right, so if it was Facebook, you could have 2 accounts and they can have 2 separate logins. Remember that WhatsApp is a little bit different. You'll need 2 phone numbers to activate, meaning that you will need 2 active numbers in order to have 2 instances of WhatsApp. All right, so let's use WhatsApp as the example. As I said, you're going to go to settings and you're going to search for advanced features. So you're going to go to the options. Should be somewhere around here. There you go. You're going to tap on advanced features. Once you're in advanced features, you're going to look for the dual messenger option. And here it says that it allows you to sign in to a second account on your favorite social media apps. All right, so you're going to tap. And here we have 2 options for Facebook and WhatsApp. I'm going to show you for WhatsApp. Notice as well you can keep separate contact lists for both if you want. That's an option. And I'm going to turn on for WhatsApp. And there you go. It says install a second copy of WhatsApp, and from here all you gotta do is simply tap install and it gives you the disclaimer information. I suggest that you read this. Alright, so you're gonna confirm and it asks you if you want to use a separate contacts list. That's fine for me, so I'm not gonna do that. And it says use regular contacts and I'm gonna hit OK. All right, so it says it's turning on dual messengers. All right, so here you go. It says a second version of WhatsApp has been installed. Now, if I come here and go into your apps, we see the usual WhatsApp. And then if I go around here, all right, let me do that again. If I look here, I see WhatsApp. If I go around here, I see a second instance of WhatsApp. And I know it's a second instance, as you can see, there is a icon here that shows like two messages, so I can distinguish them. All right, so from here I would launch this one and activate it, and I can have 2 different instances. All right, and don't worry, it will not affect your first instance. All right, so if I wanted to disable it now, all I had to do was go back to settings, to the same setting, and then I would have to turn that off. And notice it says here uninstall the second copy of WhatsApp, and you can keep the data if you want. So I'm gonna hit uninstall, and as easy as that, the second copy has disappeared and I have only 1 copy now. All right, so very easy, intuitive, and that's how to do it on the Galaxy A16. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.